Hi, my name is Raja, and I'm the Technical Director here at Wonks. Today, we are going to talk about how you can create custom reports in Google Analytics 4. So I'll share my screen with you, and I'll guide you through the step-by-step approach to how to do this. So as you can see my screen, and we are in the Google Analytics 4 account for our master data for Wonks. So how often that you see that these reports that are available for you here are not too much or too many that you want for your reporting. So you may have the need to add more reports into that interface for your day-to-day reporting. Sometimes when I often see is if you go to events here, it actually shows you the events data. So for example, changing the date range to number of rows to 50 here, and you see that there are some files being downloaded, there are some video progress, video start, but it does not explain to you what exactly which video is there. And you have to further drill down, you have to select which files are downloaded here and enter, and then you will have to select the file name here, which sometimes doesn't even show up correctly. So it's a bit of a walkthrough that you need to do every time you have to see which files are being downloaded. So what you can do from this instance is create a custom report in your interface that can give you the answer straight away for something like file download that you want to say. So how you can do this is by using the option for library here. So you see, if you click on that library, it takes you to the all interface of reports here that are available for you. The file download report is not a default report and it's a very custom one. So you will have to create a new report for this particular purpose. So if I click create new report, there are two options here. One is the overview report and the second is the detail report. An overview report is which actually gives you an overview understanding of that report. So it's very similar. So for example, you see there is an overview report for engagement, which gives you blocks of like all the data that you can see in one place. But you go into a detailed report with something like events and gives you like a detail of all the metrics and dimensions that are available for that report. So if I go to library again and create a new report, in this particular instance, we are only creating a detailed report for file download. So if I click on that, it will give you a template to start with. So you can use any of these templates, or you can create a blank template. So for example, if I go there, start with a blank one, and just everything is blank right now, I can select the name of the dimension that I wanted here. So for example, I wanted to know which file was selected. So if I say file name and go apply, and now obviously I need metrics to represent that dimension. So I go into the metrics and I select the event count. So how many times a particular file was selected? Go apply. So you see all these file names are available for you and the number of events that also come across for that as well. All of those file names have PDF in it. So you can see that report. So this particular, I would say, chart that is coming up is a line chart, which you can change here. So you can say either it's to be line chart, scatter chart, or bar chart. So a bar chart will look like, if you go apply, like this. And if you want a line chart, it will look like that. So let's save this report for now. I would say go to the report name and say, I want this to be file downloads. And whoop, sorry, I did not save that. File download. And if I save that report, now it is saved, I can go back. So once I'm back in my library again, I can now go to a particular collection. So for example, there is a collection for lifecycle. There is a collection for user. You see, this is a lifecycle collection. This is a user collection. So I want this report to sit under engagement, just above where events are. Let's go to the lifecycle one and go edit. And it gives you all the reports that are available for you. Now, this is where the detailed reports and overview reports are. I can search for the new report that I have created, which is a file download one. And I go and place that just above the events or just below events. So that's where it is going to sit, and you go save. And save changes to current collection, or you can create a new collection if you like. So let's save it to the current collection here. When you save this, and now it is saved, I assume, go back and go under engagement. You see there is a report for you, file download, that is readily available. You click on that report, and that will give you the line chart, the bar chart, and the file names with the event count that you wanted to see. So this is an easy way to adjust the GA4 reporting interface with any custom reports that you would like to see them from day-to-day purpose. We found it very useful, and that's where we complete a measurement model for our clients to understand what are their needs and what sort of reporting that they require. If you have any requirements as such if you're an existing client and you have such requirements, please talk to your project manager. And if you have any questions on how to do this even further, please let us know and we'll be able to share more details with you. Cheers. Thank you. Bye.